That was my good friend. He was the best of all things that fly. But on this day, he did not fly far. Of all the things I have imagined, losing was never part of them, and this was my own undoing. And just while I was wallowing and drowning myself with all the good memories we've shared, I remembered. It was all a trap set by hijacker, and I'd fallen for it.
These signs were right there and I missed all of them. Well, I have to get Jeremy back in. I'm pretty sure I'm not as smart as Jeremy's hijacker, and he's definitely not going for cheap distractions. I just need to think of something that would blow his mind. A bomb. A smoke bomb. I'm using matches for ignition, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get spotted if I throw it at him myself. Yeah, I would get spotted. So I'm also making a trigger that would set off when he steps on it. You might be wondering how I know this.
See, I managed to set up a surveillance camera while the hijacker was away, and it taught me a lot about him.
Like, he's always wearing Crocs, and he always gets there by 2 p.m. and then he leaves by 3 p.m. Yes, he has a pattern, which means I have to finish setting up my plans before 1:58 p.m. And one more thing, he always steps to that particular spot, and that's why we put in the trigger.
And I have just one simple plan. There will be terminal here and another terminal. This will be the plus and then the minus. And when they actually connect with each other, we get fire. Yeah, so that's the plan.
So guys, we have a visitor in our studio, and she's actually trying to run away. I'm going to see if I can catch her. I caught her. Guys, this is Stella, and she's going to join us while I do it. I hope you don't mind. Right, Stella, it's time to go.
So this is what I want. When it closes, it snaps. Guys, I think I'm going to add a kind of metal plates here and also here too, so that when it clicks, it doesn't just get to one part and then it misses the other. Shit, my cover. There was no way I was getting Jeremy out of there before he turns around, so I had to pull this move.